Good morning once again, class. So today we take up the political divisions of Europe. Turn to page number 60. Underline, there are a total of 50 countries in Europe, out of which 5 countries, Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan, are situated in both Europe and Asia. Underline that. In size, Russia is the largest and the Vatican City is the smallest. These countries of the north come under this group. They are Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Iceland. So these especially Norway, Sweden and Denmark, Finland and Iceland. So Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Iceland here are known as Scandinavian countries. Then we look at the low countries, the countries located in the low-lying plains of the west, which include Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. Just a second, it is in the low-lying plains of the west. I'll quickly show it to you, children. UK is here, Denmark, Lithuania, Belarus, and then why can't I see Belgium over here? This is Belgium, children. Okay, and Netherlands and Luxembourg is here, right? Okay, Netherlands is here. Now coming to the low countries once again. These are also called Benelux countries, BE for Belgium, NE for Netherlands and LUX for Luxembourg. They are called low countries as they lie below the sea level. Netherlands is the lowest country in the world. Now West European countries. The countries located in the peninsular part of the continent such as France, UK and Ireland are called the West European countries. So let us quickly take a look at France, UK and Ireland. These are the West European countries. Now coming back, Central European countries, Austria, Switzerland, Poland, Hungary, Czech Republic and Slovakia. So let us look first for Austria. Switzerland is here, Austria is here, then Hungary is here, Czech Republic is there and Slovakia. So where is Slovakia? Here. Okay. Now coming to the Mediterranean countries. These are countries in the south that border the Mediterranean Sea. They are Spain, Portugal as well as Andorra. So let us quickly see the Mediterranean countries, Spain, Portugal and Andorra over here. Now coming to the Balkan states, countries of Greece, Albania, Macedonia, Romania, Bulgaria, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovenia, Croatia, European Turkey, Serbia and Montenegro together form the Balkan Peninsula and are called as Balkan states. Now see children, best is Sofia here, Bulgaria we see over here. Now all these countries, they've come under the Balkan states. Now Balkan mountains, these are known as Balkan states because of the range of Balkan mountains which are broken at places, but then it covers the entire area over here. Therefore they are known as Balkan states. Now Baltic states. Countries sharing their coast with the Baltic Sea are Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. Now let us quickly, Latvia will see, Baltic Sea, can you see over here children? Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. They share their coast with the Baltic Sea, therefore are known as Baltic states. Now British Isles. The UK and the Republic of Ireland along with approximately 5,000 islands make this group. So this portion here is known as the British of Isles. Now Italian or Apennine Peninsula, Italy. See, this is the Italian or Apennine Peninsula. Now former Soviet Union. The Soviet Union collapsed, children. Russia Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, they were all Ukraine and all, they were all part of one country known as United States of Soviet Republic. But then this disintegrated, the Soviet Union disintegrated in the year 91 and into 15 independent republics, out of which Georgia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Armenia, Ukraine, Moldova, Azerbaijan and Estonia are located in Europe. Now coming to the European Union. A political economic community has been formed in Europe called as European Union. This community has a total of 28 European countries as its members. It has an executive council that comprises heads of governments of the member nations. It was known as EEC until 1994. It meets twice a year to provide overall policy directions. The European Union, which is also now known as EU, has taken measures for the integration of the European economy, which involves the common market and the common currency, which is known as Euro. Euro banknotes and coins are used all over the European region. Out of the 28 countries, 18 have adopted the Euro. A list of countries with the capitals is given in the table below. These countries are all European countries now. Children, you must remember that a couple of years back, a lot of you must have heard about Brexit, Brexit, where Britain or the United Kingdom, it wanted to get out of the European Union, and there were a lot of protests and all going all over the entire kingdom of England, because some were in favor of staying with the European European Union. Some wanted Britain to get out of it. So, children, it is important that you should learn the countries, European countries and capital cities over here. So, Albania is Tirana, Andorra is Andorra la Vella, Austria is Vienna, Belarus is Minsk, Belgium, Brussels, Bosnia and Herzegovina is Sarajevo, Bulgaria is Sofia, Croatia is Zagreb, Cyprus is Nicosia, Czech Republic is Prague, Denmark is Copenhagen, Estonia is Tallinn, Faroe Island is Tórshavn, Finland is Helsinki, France is Paris, Germany is Berlin. Earlier, children, there was a point when Germany was divided into two, East Germany and West Germany. So that is again a long topic. We will take it up when we have some time in hand. Greece, Athens, Guernsey, St. Peter Port, Hungary, Budapest, Iceland, Riga, Ireland, Dublin, Isle of Man is Douglas, Italy, Italian, Jersey is St. Helier, Kosovo is Pristina, Latvia is Riga, Liechtenstein is Vaduz, Lithuania is Vilnius, Luxembourg is Luxembourg, Macedonia is Skopje, Malta is Valletta and Moldova is Chisinau. These are the countries along with their capitals. I may not have, sorry children, seems that I am dropping myself often. Now I may not have got a few of the pronunciations correct, but bear with me. Now, then the rest of the countries, there are more countries and the capitals given on page number 62. Monaco is Monaco City, Montenegro is Podgorica, Netherlands is Amsterdam, Norway is Oslo, Poland is Warsaw, Portugal is Lisbon, Romania Bucharest, Russia Moscow, San Marino, Serbia is Belgrade, Slovakia is Bratislava, Slovenia is Ljubljana, Spain is Madrid, Sweden is Stockholm, Switzerland is Bern, Ukraine is Kiev, United Kingdom is London, Vatican City is Vatican City. Now with this we come to the major physical features. The continent is divided into four major physical regions running from north to south. They are Northwestern Highlands, North European Plains, Central Uplands and Alpine Mountains. Now let us first look at the Northwestern Highlands. Cover an extensive area that extends from Norway and Sweden to the northern parts of Scotland. Okay. Wales Island and northern France. These highlands have steep slopes in their eastern parts and form cliffs to the coast of the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the Atlantic Ocean, and they have shown the Great European Plain. They have shown the Ural Mountains over here. This is the Lapland and Scandinavian mountains. You'll find them here. Then you have the Alps, and here we have the Apennines. Remember Italian Apennines. Then we have Carpathian Mountain over here, Plain of Bohemia, the Alps, Dinaric Alps, then Rupp Mountains, and then we have Pindus Mountains. Then they have shown the lowland below sea level, Caucasus over here. Here we have the steppes, and I have already shown you. This is the tundra region, and we have the Ural Mountains, and these are the western highlands over here. Now, many branches of these highlands covered with glacial ice penetrate deep into the sea. These glacial snouts make vertical cuts to the coastline as they meet seas. These long, narrow, deep creeks are called as fjords. The Scandinavian mountains are made up with oldest shield rocks called Levitian gneiss. Thus, the highland in the north are called Fenno-Scandian shield. These shields are shaped by glaciations. Kjolen mountains of Scandinavia are the results of such glacial action. Such the highland around the Baltic Sea are known as Baltic shield. Sorry, children. Now, so a lot of information here, please underline, are made up with oldest shield rock called Levitian gneiss. Thus, the highlands in the north are called Fenno-Scandian shield. These shields are shaped by glaciations. Kjolen mountain of Scandinavia, it is given over here. No, this is not Kjolen. No, this particular mountain range has not been shown here, children. No, it is not shown here. Spanish Plateau, Sierra Morena they have shown, but not that. So we'll let it be. We'll see it we'll take out the physical maps which we have in school, and then I'll show you the entire thing. Till that time, I want you to learn the names of the countries and with their capitals, and learn about, very important is that you should always know about the Scandinavian countries, the Baltic states, British Isles and Balkan states, and even the Mediterranean countries. These are things which are often asked and you should know. Now please, I'll end the video. In the next class, we'll start with North European plain. Till that time, stay safe and stay blessed.